In this video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple charts in TradingView. So the very first thing that you want to do here is just go to tradingview.com and log in into your account and go to the chart of the stock that you want to view. So if you want to view multiple stocks at the same time, like for example, I want to view Netflix here and the other side Apple. So to do that, you'll be able to see a a kind of box icon here that says unnamed. By default, I think this is called unnamed, but some people has the uh, main as the name of the section here, but I have unnamed here. So here you have the box which says select layout. So what you want to do here is just click on it, and here you'll be able to see different layouts that you can choose from. From here, we're just gonna choose the two layout option. So from here, as you can see, I now have two options available to my screen. But by default, when you select the two layout, the same chart will appear for you. Like for example, I have Netflix here. Next, Netflix will appear here. But I already have Apple because I was recently using TradingView to view Apple and Netflix. So for you to actually change the view here, the chart that you're viewing, so you just need to click that section, make sure that it's highlighted in blue. Here we're gonna change this from Apple to Tesla, and from here you'll be able to change it. So now I have Netflix and Tesla. So if I select another Apple again, it should change to Apple. Just make sure that you've selected this section. Make sure there's a highlight on it, like a blue highlight on it. So once you've done that and you're good to go, uh, that's how you open multiple charts in TradingView. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.